Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on my website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay. A lot of people come here joining this website and making money from this website. And first of all, click sign up to make an account in here. Just put your username, email, password, and confirm password. Just click this one and you can easily make an account. I have already account, just I put my email address and my password to show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, and this is the all interface of this website. You can claim this much coin every 50 minutes from here. The first way earning, just click this one, you can easily claim your coin. Okay, and that was added to my balance. And the next way earning from here is the who to survey and who to faucet. This two need energy. If you have much more energy, you can easily make this one automatically. But if you don't have energy, you can easily click it and you can solve it the capture. But this will be of energy to you can solve. You can just surf ads, just click surfing ads, and you can visit the advertisement for 60 seconds. If I watch this advertisement, this will be pay me my coin and my energy too. And just solve this letter capture and just click verify. You can easily make your coin from this website. Okay, and the next way earning is too easy. The next way earning is game. You can play the game and you can earn you some coins just playing the game. Okay, no enough energy to play in the game. Okay, this games all available. You can just click play and you can play in this all games. Okay, this the rules. Okay, request per game is this much energy you need, and you can easily make this one. And the next way is the link wall is a short links. You can visit the short links. Okay, you can easily make this much coin and this much energy, this much energy and this much coin. You can easily make just visiting this all short links available in here. And the next way earning is the publish short links. You can publish your own short links and you can make much more money from the publishing your own short links. The next way is surfing ads. You can visit another advertisement way. You can visit all advertisement available in this page too, and you can easily make much more amount from here too. You can just click in and you can start earning from here too. But this is the manually. The first way, in the first one that I should share with you, that was automatically. If you have much more energy, you can use that automatically. This is manually. Okay, and you can just click this reload to just reloading the all things in your way. Okay, the next way earning is just this two advertisements is a little bit annoying me. About that, I close every time I just work in this website. And the next way is a daily task. You can click it and you can go to daily task. You can easily make an account amount of the daily task. Okay, but if you want to click and claim the all daily task, your minimum level is 2. Okay, you need level 2. And that's it guys, and you can see in my process I didn't grab my label and how much coin you have. Just you can put it, you can calculate it in your wallet orders. The minimum amount is this much you can withdraw. Okay, right now you can see I have this much amount, and you can withdraw in this two three cryptocurrency. You can withdraw easily like a Litecoin or any cryptocurrency. Just put your wallet address, and the minimum withdrawal amount is this much. You can daily claim this much coin. Okay, not too much. And after I receive that 10,000 coin, I'll be sure with you the withdraw proof of this website. And in the 10,000 coin, just I click Litecoin. I just calculate 1,000 coin is equal to this much Litecoin. If I just click 10,000, this much Litecoin easily I make from this website for the 10,000 coin. Okay, but it's too easy to earn that 10,000 coin, not too hard. You can use auto faucet, you can claim auto faucet from here too. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link, come here, join yourself, and you can easily make an account and you can easily make a withdrawal from this website. I'll be sharing with you the withdrawal proof of this website after 1 or 2 weeks. And thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.